Oh, hello. Welcome to another SpaceEngine video. Let's let's go here. What means sequence star? There's 10 planets around it. Hmm. Ooh, this looks like Saturn. Huh. That's a lot of moons. Huh. Let's land on this gas giant. Cause why not? Oh, I think we just hit the liquids part. Uh, Ooh, this is really beautiful. Huh. Uh, is there any planets with life nearby? Ooh, a temperate planet. Oh, you can see the system already. That's cool. Yes, I. Oh, this planet is blue. Maybe it's because of the life? What is happening? Uh, oh. Uh, cold Neptune. Let's go here. And that's a pretty big planet. Oh, we're only 3 minutes in. I thought it was 4. Well, let's go to colliding galaxy. Why are so many galaxies flying past us? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here we go. 8 planets. Let's go here. It's a blue main sequence star. Uh, and let's go here. Oh, there's a little gas giant. Hot sub-Jupiter. I don't really have that much to talk about, I guess. There's some super volcanoes. There's some little islands. Are they islands? I guess they are, technically. Well, that's weird. There's a little glitch in the water. Stop. Uh-oh. Well, that's broken. Oh, let's go here. System diameter 167 AU. Huh. Oh, there's like a. Oh, it's a white dwarf also. There's actually a lot of interesting things in this system. Well, that's this. I guess this is why the system is dead. There's a white dwarf in it. Oh, it's like another Eris or something. Here we got the dysomnia of the system. Uh, huh? Oh, oh, my dog just came in. Let's land on this distant moon. Let's go to the 10th planet, because there's ice caps on it. I wonder how that works. Like, why is there ice caps on just an ice-covered planet? uh, how does this work? Ouch. Oh wait, what? There's oxygen on that planet? Yeah, there is. There's oxygen on this moon. There's like it's an envelope of carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. That's interesting. Well, that's the end of this video. Uh, if you wanted uh, a location suggestion, leave it in the comments, and goodbye.